So our next problem is, in a triangle ABC, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3, cos C is equal to root 3 by 2, find the area of the triangle ABC. Here given A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3 and cos C is equal to root 3 by 2, implies C is equal to 30 degrees, implies sin C is equal to 1 by 2. Now if area of the triangle is, area of triangle delta is equal to half into AB into sin C. So that is equal to half into 6 into 3 into sin C is 1 by 2. This is 2 3s are 6. This is 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2 square units. It is 4.5. You can write also. So next problem is, in an if area of triangle is 81 and perimeter is 27, then find in radius. So area is given, that is delta is 81, perimeter is given, perimeter S is equal to 27. Now we know that delta is equal to R into S, where in radius is small r. Now R is equal to delta by S, that is 81 by 27. 27 3 times cancels, therefore R is equal to 3 is the in radius. Next problem, in an equilateral triangle of each side 2 root 3 centimeter, then find radius of circumcircle. Radius of circumcircle. Here given small a is equal to 2 root 3 centimeter, equilateral triangle, therefore all sides are equal. Now area of triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. That is the formula of equilateral triangle area. Now capital R, that is circumradius, is equal to, actual formula is ABC by 4 delta in a general triangle. So here all three sides are equal, therefore this will be a cube, a into a by 4 into, now area is root 3 by 4 a square. Here 4 gets cancelled, 1 a square gets cancelled, that is equal to a by root 3. A is given as 2 root 3, 2 root 3 by root 3. This root 3 gets cancelled, therefore circumradius is equal to 2. Our next problem is, in triangle ABC, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Find its circumradius. Here given A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Next find the perimeter S. Perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. 5 4 9 plus 3 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Now area of triangle is delta is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into s minus c. So that is equal to 6 into 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5. 6 into 6, 36, root 36 is equal to 6. That is area. Now circumradius capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta, that is 3 into 4 into 5 by 4 into 6. This is 3 4s are 12 by 24, that is 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2 is the circumradius capital R. Our next problem is, in a triangle ABC, cos A by A is equal to cos B by B is equal to cos C by C, and side is equal to 2. Then find area of the triangle. Side A is equal to 2 actually, and find the area of the triangle. Here given cos A by A is equal to cos B by B is equal to cos C by C. So from sine rule, A is equal to 2r sin A, B is equal to 2r sin B, C is equal to 2r sin C. So substitute the values here. It will be cos A by 2r sin A is equal to cos B by 2r sin B is equal to cos C by 2r sin C. Here ratios, so you can cancel 2r here. Therefore cot A is equal to cot B is equal to cot C. So this is possible only when angle A is equal to B is equal to C. All three angles are equal, implies triangle is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Therefore area of triangle delta is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Our side is also given. Your side A is given as 2 centimeter. Therefore area is root 3 by 4 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 gets cancelled. That is equal to root 3. Area of the triangle is root 3 square centimeters. Our next problem is, if sides of triangle are 18, 24, 30, find the radius of incircle. So here given A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24, C is equal to 30. Next perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Actually perimeter is 2S. This is not perimeter. This is S, half of the perimeter. So this is 18 plus 24 plus 30 by 2. This is 48 72 by 2, that is equal to 36. That is small s value. Now delta is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So that is 36 into 36 minus 18 is 18. 36 minus 24 is 12. This is 6. This is 36 into 18, that is 72 into 9. This is 12 into 6, that is also 72. This will be 72 into root 9 is 3, that is 216. It is area of the triangle. Now in radius small r is equal to delta by s, that is 216 by 36, that is equal to 6 times it will get cancelled. R is equal to small 6. So in the earlier problem area of the triangle is 81 and perimeter is 27. Find in radius. Here actually perimeter is given, there was small mistake. Perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c, that is given as 27. Now s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is 27 by 2. So here I took s is 27, that is a mistake. So this is 27 by 2. Therefore r is equal to 27, 3 gets cancelled, 2 3 is a 6. Okay, correct. There is a small correction here. Okay. Our next problem is, if sides of the triangle are 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3, root 6. If the least angle is alpha, find alpha. So here given sides are a is equal to 3 plus root 3, b is equal to 2 root 3, c is equal to root 6. Clearly you can say that a greater than b greater than c. Okay, therefore here least angle will be capital C angles. Okay, so we have a cosine, from cosine rule cos C is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, that is a square means 9 plus 3 plus 6 root 3, b square means 2 root 3 whole square, that is 12, minus c square means 6 divided by 2 into 3 plus root 3 into 2 root 3. This is 12 plus 12, 24 minus 6, that is 18 plus 6 root 3 divided by, this is 4 root 3 into 3 plus root 3. This is equal, if you take 6 common, this is 3 plus root 3 divided by 4 root 3 into 3 plus root 3. Here 3 plus root 3 gets cancelled. So here root 3 also gets cancelled. This is equal to 3 by 2. Cos C is equal to 3 by 2 implies C is equal to 30 degrees. This is the least angle. Therefore alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Our next problem is, if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5 and find sin 2b. So here given A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. First let us find cos B. From cosine rule, cos B is equal to a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac, that is 9 plus 25 minus 16 by 2 into 3 into 4. 34 minus 16 is 18 by 24. This is 5 actually, that is 2 3 is 6, 6 into 5. Therefore cos B is equal to 3 by 5. So if you take the right angle, this is 3, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4. Therefore sin B is equal to 4 by 5. So this is not the our triangle, this is general triangle. Okay, so sin B is 4 by 5. So now sin 2B is equal to 2 sin B cos B from multiple and submultiple angles formulas. Here sin B is 4 by 5, cos B is 3 by 5, that is equal to 24 by 25. Next problem is ratio of sides are given as 3:7:8. If circumradius is capital R, in radius is small r, and r is given as k:2, then find k. So first let us find, so let us take A is equal to 3k, B is equal to 7k, C is equal to 8k are sides. Next, A plus B plus C perimeter is 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 8 18k. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 18k by 2, that is equal to 9k. Next, area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So that is equal to 9k into 9 minus 3 6k, 9 minus 7 2k, 9 minus 8 k. This is 9 6 54, 2 108 k power 4. So here this will be 3 root 9 is 3, this is 6 to the 12, that is 2 root 3 k square, that is 6 root 3 k square, that is delta. Okay, now r by r is given as k by 2. So first let us find r. R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. A is 3k, 7k, 8k by 4 delta, 4 into 6 root 3 k square. 8 3 is 24, 6 4 is 24, and k square gets cancelled. K square gets cancelled. This is 7k by root 3. And small r is equal to delta by s, that is 6 root 3 k square by s is 9k. Here 2 3 2s are 3 3s are, that is 2 root 3 by 3, 1k also gets cancelled. Okay, now k by 2 is equal to r by r, so that is 7k by root 3 by 2 root 3 k by root 3. Okay, don't confuse with this k and that k. Okay, so here this 3 goes to the numerator, this is 21 by 6, therefore k is equal to multiply by 2, that is 21 by 3 is the k value. Okay, calculation you can do now. Our next problem is, if P1, P2, P3 are perpendiculars drawn on ABC respectively, then the value of BP1 by C plus CP2 by A plus AP3 by B is, here perpendiculars means, so this is perpendicular, this is P1, this is A, then delta is equal to half into AP1. Similarly, delta is equal to half into BP2, delta is equal to half into BP3. Okay, here P1 value is 2 delta by A. Similarly, P2 value is 2 delta by B. Similarly, P3 value is 2 delta by C. Now substitute here, this is BP1 by C, CP2 by A plus AP3 by B. B by C into P1 is 2 delta by A. C by A into P2 is 2 delta by B. A by B into P3 is 2 delta by C. So here if you take LCM, this is ABC. So you can take 2 delta common here. This is B square plus C square plus A square. That is the final value. You can simplify more if you want. This is capital R is equal to, we know that ABC by 4 delta. Okay, implies ABC is equal to 4 delta R. If you can substitute here, it will be 2 delta into A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4R delta, that is equal to A square plus B square plus C square by, here delta gets cancelled, 2 2s are 4, that is 2R is the required value.